Today we'd like to take a few minutes and talk about the typical electrical systems found in a Keystone RV.
The electrical system is a combination 12-volt DC direct current and 120-volt AC alternating current system. In simpler terms, the 12-volt system is what an automobile uses, and the 120-volt system is what powers the outlets in your house.
Let's start with the 12-volt system. The 12-volt system can be powered in 4 different ways. The RV battery, your 7-way cord from the tow vehicle, a solar system on the roof, or the DC converter in the back of this unit.
The heart of the 12-volt system is the RV's batteries. Your batteries are a storage device for electrical energy. We recommend RV deep cycle or lithium-ion batteries for our applications. Before you select your batteries, define your camping needs thoroughly. For example, if you will typically camp with access to 120 volt to plug in the shoreline cord, a standard deep cycle battery should suffice. If you will be camping without access to 120 volts and will rely heavily on battery to run the many features in your unit, you need to consider a deep cycle battery that has a larger reserve capacity available, or possibly installing 2 batteries for your needs.
Remember, a well-charged and maintained battery is critical for proper operation of the appliances and other features within your unit. It takes a charged 12-volt battery to light your propane appliances. A battery which is not well charged and maintained can cause intermittent or altogether failure of operation with most of the 12-volt components in your unit. Utilizing a factory-installed solar system or portable solar kit is a huge benefit in the replenishing of your battery or battery's charge level.
When locating auto reset breakers, on 21 and older you'll find them along the frame rail like here. On newer models they will be housed in a Gigi box which is located here as a weather protection for the auto reset breakers.
And located inside the unit are your 12-volt fuses which control lights, your slide-out motors, furnace motor, water pump, located right here in your distribution panel with your breakers. Hey, what are you doing? Hey! If you should happen to blow a fuse or trip a breaker, always identify the cause and correct it. Never install a fuse or breaker with a higher rating than specified for that circuit. Increased risk of fire, property damage, and personal injury may result.
For further questions regarding fuses, breakers, and electrical power, please refer to your Keystone Owner's Manual, your dealer, or feel free to contact us at 866-425-4369.
For more information about how to operate, maintain, and repair your Keystone RV, refer to the owner's section of KeystoneRV.com, download the My Keystone app on your mobile phone, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.